Most kids get cuts and scrapes once in a while. Knowing how to care for these minor wounds will let them get back to playing quickly. But keep in mind, blood can be frightening to kids. While providing care, talk to the child and make her feel more comfortable.
Here we go.
Begin by covering the wound with a sterile gauze pad and applying direct pressure until the bleeding
You're being
stops.
such a brave little girl. Looks like the blood is still coming through. I'm going to get another dressing for you. I want you to replace my hand on the count of 3, okay? You ready? 1, 2, 3. Okay. Good girl. So I'm going to put this back on. 1, 2, 3. There we go.
If blood soaks through the first gauze pad, put another one on top and press harder to apply more direct pressure.
Good job.
It may take several minutes for bleeding to stop. Do not remove any gauze pads. If the bleeding does not stop, call 911 if you have not already done so.
Okay, so I want you to
Continue to care for the person and monitor for shock.
1, 2,
Once
3.
bleeding is controlled, check for circulation beyond the injury. Note the temperature and color of the skin and ask the person if there is any tingling or numbness.
Any tingling or numbness, honey?
No.
You sure?
Yeah.
Okay, we're almost done. Okay, you hold on to that and I'll be right back. So we're going to put a bandage on. So I want you to move your arm, your hand up.
Place the end of the bandage on the dressing at a 45-degree angle.
Put your finger right there for me. Thank you. You can replace your finger now.
Continue wrapping the bandage over the dressing.
Almost done. We're almost done.
Once the dressing is covered, roll out the remaining length of bandage. While holding the bandage, use the index finger of the other hand to split the bandage in half, moving it down and underneath the limb. Bring up the two ends of the bandage and tie them in a bow or a knot.
Hang in there. Hang in there.
Check again for circulation beyond the injury. If there is any change, the bandage may be too tight, and you will need to carefully loosen the bandage.
Any tingling or numbness?
After the bandage is appropriately applied, remove your gloves and wash your hands.